Hello subscribers and people who need to subscribe to keep my channel alive. Today am unboxing the, let me zoom out a little bit, now I'll zoom out, I'll just be very careful, the Amazon Fire HD 8, the 16GB black version. I will just crack on. There we go, so get the nice lovely plastic packaging off, and let's have a look what we've got. So we have got 8-inch HD display, 1280 by 800 resolution, micro SD slot up to 256GB, quad core processor, dual band Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras which are probably going to be crap, Dolby, fast and responsive with HD display. HD, is it? Not full HD. Vibrant 8-inch HD display, 1280 by 800, powerful quad-core processor, stereo speakers, Dolby audio and long-lasting battery. Seamlessly stream your favourite entertainment with dual-band Wi-Fi or enjoy offline with up to 256GB of expandable storage. Designed for entertainment, shop for millions of movies, TV shows, songs, Kindle ebooks, Android apps and games, including Facebook, Spotify, BBC iPlayer and more. Choose from thousands of videos to download with a Prime membership, Netflix subscription or other services. Ask Alexa. Alexa provides quick access to information and entertainment you want using your voice. Use Alexa to ask questions or to play your favourite song. Find new movies and TV shows, open apps and games, show sports scores, hear a joke, get the news, display the weather and more. Just don't ask her if she's connected to the CIA. Great for the whole family. Best in class parental controls let you manage screen time limits, educational goals and web browsing to fit kids' needs as they grow. Give kids access to age-appropriate content such as Tomo's Tech YouTube channel, including over 30,000 curated websites and videos. Exclusive features only available from Amazon. Enhance your experience with features you only get from Amazon such as Blue Shade, ASAP, WhisperSync, X-Ray, On Deck and more. I've been using an Amazon tablet for ages and I know what Blue Shade is, but I don't, well, On Deck as well actually, I know what that is, but I don't know what the rest is. Never mind. Get a 5-watt power adapter, USB charging cable, built-in rechargeable battery, personalised special offers and sponsored screensavers. Let's rip it open. The reason I've got one of these is because I have used a friend's and I have found that I just love the form factor of the 8-inch tablet. So that box can go, and let's have a look. Usual gear in the box. Pointless information that they could just put, well, on the website maybe. Clever enough to order a tablet, and I'm pretty sure you know how to plug it in, but I suppose you could be receiving it as a gift. You may be not quite as IT literate as some, and you may need that help. USB charger and sync cable, should you wish to plug it into a computer. Another book. Bye. And the tablet. More cardboard. That's going to go. See you later. Let's whip it open and see what's what. These feel better in the hand than the iPad mini. That's what I was looking for. So I'm just going to go off screen and put all my sign-in details in, because I don't want you knowing my Wi-Fi password, and I don't want you knowing my Amazon password or email address. So see you in a moment. Okay guys, so I've logged into my Amazon account, etc., and I'm just having a bit of a play around with it. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. The form factor, the small bezel around the edge, it feels solid. It is obviously the back of it's plastic at the cost that it is. The cameras are dreadful, but just for media consumption, it is just superb, absolutely superb. I definitely recommend getting one of these. I will put some videos of me demonstrating some activities on there, but I prefer it, guys, if you ask in the comments what you want me to do or what you want me to show you it can do. Because I could sit here showing you videos and emulation, that kind of thing, but really, what is it you want me to do? What do you want to see this device do? What do you think it's not capable of, or what do you think it is capable of? But it's superb. If you want a budget tablet that you just really want to watch telly and read books on, like me, then this is perfect. Absolutely perfect. You can also put the Google Play Store on here. I will be putting a tutorial online of how to do that at some point soon. The specs are just going along the bottom of the screen right now for you to read. But basically it's a very, very silky smooth tablet which really does deliver when it comes to media consumption. It feels as good as the iPad mini. The form factor is very similar. There's a lot of screen and not very much around the outside. Audio quality is fantastic due to the Dolby function that it's got built in. And of course, if you've got an Amazon account, if you've got Prime, then you're absolutely going to love it, because you can watch as many of their films as you so wish, and read as many of their books as you would like. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. So let's ask Alexa what she thinks. What do you think to the Amazon Fire Tablet 8?
I don't have an opinion on that.
There we go. Alexa doesn't have an opinion on that. So fortunately the AI are going to have to rely on us humans to give them some direction there. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, and please, in fact, no, let's stop there. Simon says, please subscribe to Tomo's Tech.
Please subscribe to Thomas Tech.
She nearly got it. Anyway, do what Alexa says, because eventually she's going to take over the world, and you really don't want to be on the wrong side of her. So yeah, I'd subscribe if I were you. Thanks for watching. See you later.